Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kissy Times here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the next weekly vlog here in Barry Avenue. This episode is very fun. By the title of the video, you already know what I'm doing. Getting new hair, I went to the beach. Did a lot of stuff I'm doing for this week. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my nighttime routine. So let's go ahead and start. So that's the look for tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and sleep, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. It's Monday, and today I am going ahead to go out and get myself some dinner. And the day has already passed. So today, basically, I went to college, did a couple of work and stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get some dinner. I'm gonna wear this white bag because I don't really have any black bags. I don't really like to wear black bags, to be honest. So I'm gonna wear the white. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to a restaurant. I don't know, I just love to have a little bit of self-care for myself. It's really fun. And yeah, so let's go. Like you're 17 and everything feels like a dream. I could show you this world around you through my eyes, my whole view. The place I love, the place I cling to. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone. Waiting for you. Wait until you realize. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone. Waiting for you. Wait until you realize. Y'all ready for the hair reveal in 3, 2. Oh my god, yeah, red is my color. I've always wanted to dye my hair red, and now I look so nice. I love it. Like, y'all, tell me I didn't knock this down. I'm definitely gonna change the hairstyle, but it's really nice. So yeah. Wednesday, guys. Today today we are going on the beach, and this is the fit. I just did my hair back, did a little bit of curly ends because I don't want to get it wet and stuff. So let's head out. I'm just gonna relax here for a bit and wait for my food to come. Probably gonna go maybe some boat riding or something. So yeah. So they just called my number and told me I could go ahead and just pick out because they're low in stock. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my food. I'm probably gonna do like maybe a hot dog or something, or maybe a burger. Yeah, let's just go for burgers. So I'm gonna eat that and then I'm gonna go ahead and change. This is the fit show. I got rid of the jorts. I just went ahead with the skirt. I'm gonna go take a little bit of a dive. And also what I love about this skirt as well is that it has a little under piece in the bottom. So like if the wind blows, you can see everything. So I like this skirt. Yeah, I should probably do an ad for this. If you guys want me to do an ad for this, write that in the comments. Anyways, I'm gonna take my little swim and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I just came in and took a little swim. I dried off myself, did a little bit of sunbathing, did a few sand castles, but they're just starting now. So we're gonna go ahead and just do a little bit of roller skating, guys. But like, just look how big that looks on my foot. It looks so weird. Anyways, this is going to have to be the end of the video. I'll see you guys next video, and if you guys are excited for the next episode, please write in the comments, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.